Good morning and welcome to some more problems with money. Now, this problem is giving us a bit of a riddle, and it says on day 1 you get 2 nickels. On day 2 you get 4 nickels. On day 3 you get 6 nickels. On day 4 you get 8 nickels. On what day will you get 80 cents? Now, the first things that students have to realize is that this right here is the equivalent of 80 cents. They have to be able to read it as $0 and that decimal you always say and, so $0 and 80 cents. For the most part, students get that very easily, but it's when they have to do multiple steps and following the pattern and then getting to that total, that's where they get hung up. So let's start with day 1. And it says day 1 you get 2 nickels. So I'm going to draw my 2 nickels. I know that they're worth 5 cents each. And if I'm adding on, I have 5 cents and then adding on to 10 cents. So day 1 is a total of 10 cents. Day 2, it tells us that we get 4 nickels. So day 2, I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4. Each of those is worth 5 cents each. And now I'm going to add on. I start with my 5 cents, adding on. I now have a total of 10 cents. Next, I end up with a total of 15 cents and then 20 cents. So for day 2, my total is 20 cents. And you want to make sure that when students are working problems with money that they're giving those labels, the 20 cents. What we do in class is we'll start with that we need to make sure that we're labeling it correctly. We're not talking about 20 marbles or 20 cars or 20 chairs, 20 pieces of chewed gum, anything like that. We want to make sure that they recognize that it's 20 cents. So now moving on to day 3, you get 6 nickels. So day 3, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to label each of these as my 5 cents. So I add on 5 cents, 10 cents, 15 cents, 20 cents, 25 cents, 30 cents. So on day 3, I have a total of 30 cents. Now, at this point, the students may recognize that there's a pattern. We started with 10, we're adding 10 more, we're adding 10 more. On day 4, you get 8 nickels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We label all of them because students need to see that labeling. They need to show their thinking and show what they're doing in their mind. Because a lot of times if they're doing it in their mind but not showing it on their work, that's where they get confused and they end up with work that is discombobulated, that doesn't actually show what they're thinking, and they make those miscalculations that if they had just written it down, they may not have ended up making. So once again, we're adding on 5 cents, 10 cents, 15 cents, 20 cents, 25 cents, 30 cents, 35 cents, and 40 cents. So on day 4, we have a total of 40 cents. Now, if students are seeing the pattern by now, they know we're adding 10 more cents per day. So they could maybe recognize that day 5, they're going to have 50 cents. Day 6, 60 cents. Day 7, 70 cents. And then day 8 is when they reach that 80-cent total. And it asks, on what day will you get 80 cents? And the answer would be day 8. Now, students can show all of their thinking every step of the way, but at the very least, they need to show some thinking. They need to show me how they come up to that answer. If they've shown me days 1 through 4 with the information given in the problem, and then show me this where they say, well, day 5, we're going to have 50 cents, day 6, 60, day 7, 70, day 8, 80. This is showing the accumulation of their thinking. And that is the biggest struggle that most students are having when it comes to money, is they're not showing me the thinking. So thank you so much. I hope you have a great day.